Welcome to this training module looking at the Smart Notebook software. In this module, we will look at object properties. A simple annotation drawing does not have to stay the same size, colour, thickness or transparency. Selecting the annotation opens three new icons in the tool area: the colour icon, the line icon and the transparency icon. With the handwritten note selected, we can change its colour by selecting the colour palette from the main menu. Let's change the black to blue. By selecting the line thickness icon, the thickness of the pen stroke can be altered. Selecting the transparency allows a fading effect. Size can be controlled by pinching the object if your board allows, or by dragging the white circle when the object is selected. Further properties, such as object animation, can be accessed through the Properties tab on the side menu. This will be explored in a later module. You can now change the appearance of your notes.